Hello, let's talk about strategy. This is Module 12, Strategic Planning for Purposeful Living. Now that you have learned about purpose, vision, seasons, character, relationships, and even turning struggles into strength, it is time to plan your life. Yes, you are not too young to plan your life, and we are going to teach. Are you ready? Discovering your purpose is amazing, but without a plan, it is easy to get lost or distracted. What is plan or planning? Planning is thinking ahead about what you want to do, then choosing the steps to do it, and getting ready before you start. Think of a treasure hunt. You cannot just wander around hoping to find the treasure. You need a map. Strategic planning is like drawing that map for your life. Does it make sense? Do you have questions? Write it on the comment section. Here is how to create a simple plan for your purpose. 1. Set goals. What do you want to achieve this year, this month, this week? 2. Identify steps. Write your goals into small, manageable actions. 3. Use your gifts. Think about your talents and how they can help you reach your goals. 4. Respect your season. Do not rush steps. Follow the right timing. 5. Track progress. Celebrate small wins and adjust when necessary. Take these tips. Write your goals in a notebook. Ask for help from a trusted mentor or parent. Review your plan weekly. Adjust if needed. Key truth. Purpose without a plan is just a wish. Reflection and journaling. 1. Write down one big goal for this year. What can you achieve at the end of this year that you will be proud of? 2. List 3 small steps you can take this week to reach that goal. 3. Which gift or skill can help you most in achieving this goal? When you complete this course, you can get access to our purpose and leadership-driven games. Play and learn. Education is fun at Skulearn. And of course, always check the Marketplace store on the Skulearn.com website to get Skulearn merchandise and books for further studies. See you in the next module. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere.